Let's unlock the power of division in Excel to transform your data analysis. Imagine you have a dataset with two columns of numbers, like sales figures and the number of units sold. To find the average sale per unit, we need to divide the sales by the units sold. The first step is to select the cell where you want your result to appear. For our example, let's pick the first empty cell in a new column. To start any calculation in Excel, you always begin with an equals sign, so type an equals sign. Now, we need to tell Excel which number is the dividend. Simply click on the cell containing your dividend, in this case, the first sales figure. Next, we use the division symbol, which is the /. Finally, click on the cell containing the divisor, the number of units sold for that particular row. After you've entered the equals sign, the dividend cell reference, the division symbol, and the divisor cell reference, press the Enter key on your keyboard. And there you have it, the result of the division will instantly appear. To apply this calculation to all the other rows in your dataset, simply click on the result cell you just calculated, then locate the small solid square at the bottom right corner of that cell. This is called the fill handle. Click and drag this fill handle all the way down to the last row of your data. Excel will automatically apply the division formula to each corresponding row, saving you a massive amount of time. Now you can easily calculate averages, ratios, or any division-based metric, empowering you to create accurate reports and financial models with ease, significantly boosting your productivity in Excel.